Nail tech check. Okay, hey guys. Oh, sorry. It's really freaking late. I don't know if y'all saw my face, but it's really late, and I'm doing this review for you guys on the electric nail drill machine by Makartt. You will not be able to see my face in this video because I look a hot mess. Anyway, so I bought this actually this morning, and you know, lovely thing about Amazon Prime, it comes super duper quick. So I was able to order it this morning, and it got to me like at 8 o'clock, and it's like about to be 12 o'clock, you guys. My eyes are actually closing on their own. But no, yeah, a lot of good nail techs on Instagram recommended this drill for beginner nail techs, and although I am technically still a beginner, but not so much beginner, because I've been doing nails for about 4 years. I became interested in nails 4 years ago, and ever since then I have not stopped doing nails. There's a fan going on. I think it's probably in the shot, so I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, here we go. That might be better because this is live time, and I'm just gonna do this how it is. Okay, so like I was saying, got interested in nails 4 years ago. I want to say it was like 2015 because it is now currently 2019 towards the end. But got into nails 4 years ago. I got my license 7.5 months ago. So I'm a beginner in the active world of doing nails, but I'm not a beginner when it comes to knowing of nails, the information of diseases, and the structure of the nail plates and whatnot. I know about the bone system, and anyway, I'm gonna review this. We're gonna see how it does. I'm going to do an update on my Makartt duster soon, so stay tuned for that, because the last time I looked at the upload when I first got this item was about 5-6 months ago, and I told you guys I was going to update you guys, but I never did. But I'm going to do that tomorrow when I have more energy. Anywho, let me show you guys what the drill I've been using before this. So this is my drill. Don't laugh at my drill. It's gone through a lot, and this is not the handpiece that goes with it, because you know, it's always nice to have backup items. As a nail tech, always get you a backup UV lamp, a backup table lamp, and a backup nail drill, just in case something happens out of the blue and you need something to replace it, because you don't want to be stuck without a UV lamp, you know what I'm saying? Because then what do you do? Anywho, but yeah, this is what I've been using. I don't remember where I bought this from. I don't know, but I think it's done its run. I think it's done what it needed to do. It's still fully capable of working, but now that it's at the point of its elder years, I think I'm gonna let it sit, and I'm gonna have my new drill now. So if the new drill ever happens, I'll always have this good oldie to pick up where I left off. But let's get to it. Okay, so open it up. I'm gonna do everything towards you guys. We open it up. Per usual, you get an informational packet. It says VIP customer. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see it? I don't know. I can't see my camera. Anyway, it says VIP customer. Congratulations for becoming Makartt VIP customers. In return for your purchase and support, enter the code below, and you can purchase any item from Makartt with a 10% off price. Hey, okay. It's valid until November. Bet. Wait, no. October. November is the... Oh, I lied. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. What? This is expired. How do you give me something expired? Makartt, do better. Anywho, so we have the, I guess I'll just call this the motherboard of it all. Oh, crap. Okay. Bear with me, peeps. Okay, take that out. Oh, that's so sweet. It comes with sanding bits. These are probably rougher grits. I'm gonna have to see. It comes with sanding bits. That's so dope. Okay, as usual, they give you the main operating system, which is gonna get everything going. So it looks like this. Has a cord. We'll see how long that is. Then it gives me a foot pedal. I love using the foot pedal, you guys. I absolutely love it. I just love the fact that with the foot pedal, I don't have to continuously reach over to turn off the drill. I love working with the foot pedal because I can lift my foot, the drill stops, ooh, of course, and I could just flip the switch and turn it off. When you're doing nails, do not let your drill stay on if you are not using it. So once you're done prepping the nails and you know you're about to start applying acrylic and whatnot, I'm gonna get this box out of the way. This is the handpiece. This is what it comes in. But no, once you know you are not about to use your drill for a good period of time, turn it off, you guys. Save the battery life. Por favor. Here we go. So this is important. Let me show you guys. This little piece right here that is in the drill, the hand piece, is important to keep because when you're done working for the day, you want to insert, after you clean off your handpiece, depending on how you do your thing, you want to insert this back inside so nothing can get inside, or the hole doesn't lose its shape. But yeah, it helps keep dust and stuff out of it, and it just keeps it in pristine condition. So do not get rid of this little thing. But usually how the hand pieces work is it has a, I'm gonna zoom in some more, you guys. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Bam! Okay, so it has the right thingy. So rest to start, I guess that's what it means. I don't know what it means. Anyway, you want to click it and it opens up the port so you can slide that out. And you put the new bit in and then you close it to secure it. So now you can't pull it out no more. But yes, that is what it looks like. Now, let me back the camera back up. All right. So let's assemble. Let me tell you guys what else it comes with before we start assembling. Let me get this trash out of the way. So it came with these drill bits. They're 9 times out of 10 complete trash. Sorry, but they don't be doing the job. These might be good because I use the Makartt's 240 sanding bands for when I prep. So after I push back the cuticle, I will after I push back the epinicium, because you know we know the technical terms around here. After I push that back, I take a 240 sanding band and I proceed to get rid of the cuticle. Cuticle is on the nail plate, you guys. You don't push back that. It's dead tissue. But yes, I use a 240. It's real easy. I think that's the highest grit, I believe. The higher the number, the softer the sanding band is. So just remember that. But they did give us these little thingies. That's cute. And like I said, I've seen these before. These are the rougher grits. I know for sure. This is probably a medium grit, and this is probably a rougher grit. Look, I'll zoom in again. Look, I'm going to zoom in again so I can show you guys what I mean. So, if you look at these, let me fix my light. Okay, so if you look at these, you can tell they don't appear as rough as when I, bam, turn these around. See how much thicker the sandpaper looks on this? So I'm guessing these are probably a 150, like a 150, and these are like a 180. And I could probably look and see on the paper what it is. Let me do that. So it says 30 sanding bands, 3 drill bits, 1 handpiece, 1 foot pedal, 1 handpiece. Let's see, 1 user manual. Okay. Let's see, what do we have? What do we have? RPM means rotations per minute. So if you ever look on a drill, does it say RPMs? No. Okay, so let me show you guys what the drill looks like on the front, because I know I did it like really like quickly in the bit. Anyway, foot pedal goes right here, hand, foot, button, forward, reverse. This is where you would insert the hand piece. This is where you would insert the foot insert for the pedal. This is the minimum, maximum speed, and I'm guessing the light turns on, and that's it to this little thing. I'm looking for an on and off button. Maybe it turns on when you put the speed on. We'll see. All right, let's do it. Oh, I was looking at the manual. Sorry, ADHD. Woohoo. Okay. Does it tell us what grits they gave us? It'd be nice. Precaution, please use the correct power source. It just says 30 pieces sandy beds. I'm pretty sure I got those grits correctly, though. I just want to know. You ever just think something out of your knowledge and want to know if you're correct? Yeah, I do that. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I hope it's not too long, because I really don't want it to be that long. Yay! Look. Oh, okay. So I did get 150 right, but the other two is 80 and 240. So I did get the 150 right. Pat on the back, Dre. You did get the 150 right. But see, that's crazy though, because if one of the, so I'm guessing. Okay, so that means if one of these is definitely 150. Okay, so this is the 240. It has to be this one. Hold on. I can't get up. Ah, there we go. This has to be the 240 because the regular 240 that I use looks like this, and they're black too. Those are my alcohol wipes to wipe off the inhibition layer on matte top coats and stuff. But anyway, no. So that has to be, so this one, the one that I use, this one in here has to be the 240. I might give this drill bit a shot. I doubt they're good though. Okay, let me put this together, you guys. I keep getting sidetracked. I keep telling y'all it's late. Oh, they give you a holder. Oh, it's jelly. Okay, that's not bad. The one that I have now is plastic. This one's jelly. As you can tell, it's flexible. I can't really bend that one. But anywho, let's do this. In the picture, sorry, I did that really aggressively. But in the picture, oh, never mind. Anyway, let's take off these bread ties, cause that's okay. Let's slip this off. Don't be impatient, you guys. Don't be like me. Anywho. Slip that off. Bungee cord, per usual. So I'm gonna put this on the floor. All right. Okay, it clicks, you guys. That's really all that matters. This is actually kind of a little bit bigger. I'm glad that all of the cords are in the front. That makes me really happy because on this one that I use, all the cords are in the back. So I feel like it's really stressful whenever I have it placed in the position that it's placed in, and I just feel like it just stresses everything out. Also, keep the box to the first drill machine that you buy. So when you buy your second one and you want to store the first one away for emergency purposes, you still have the box for it. So it's not like it's just laying around somewhere collecting dust. So yeah, let's see how this works. I'm going to adjust the camera position now, and I'm gonna bring you guys closer. And we're back. Hello, you guys. So I have my foot pedal together. Let's put the handpiece inside. Make sure the 3 dots connect with the 3 dots over here. It should say top. Usually on the... Anywho. What the heck? Okay, let me show you my old drill bit, you guys. It's really helpful because it says top, so it tells you how to put it in. This one, you just gotta, try, I guess. Let's see. Is this the way to go? No, it's not. Okay, I think it's this way. Oh, okay, cool. So how does this work? We're gonna do foot. Oh, it turns on whenever you select which way you're gonna use it. So there's the light, and this is off. This is on. Oh, you gotta use it first. Okay, so we're on the foot, you guys. So yeah, we're just gonna leave this where it is. So I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna press the foot. Okay, there we go. I don't know if you guys, can you guys see that? Okay. I'm pretty sure you guys hear it. Okay. So, it works! It works. That's perfect. I would probably store it like this though, low key. Just because I don't want it like taking up too much space. So I'd probably end up storing it like this, with the handpiece sitting on top. Let me show you guys. Yeah, with the handpiece sitting on top because it's flat and it's nice like that. Okay, so let's do my nail, for instance. Let's just do a tester nail really quickly. Okay, so I bought a mean, okay, it's called the Mean Green bit. I just used it on my mom to take down her acrylic. She bombarded me for a soak off. But this is what it looks like. It's called the Mean Green drill bit. Okay. Move my light over. Okay. It's called the Mean Green drill bit. And I really love it. It was expensive. It was $44 dollars. So it was expensive. So, but anywho, we're gonna use this. Because drill bits like this that are cut really sharp have to be used at a higher RPM to reduce burning in one position. I know a lot of you guys are like, why would you want it faster if you want to reduce burning? Look it up. Anywho, okay, so I know how fast it needs to run. So right there is probably perfect for it. So show you guys with my nail. Can you guys hear me good? So yeah, look how smooth it is. So I'm gonna do it a little higher and see how fast it takes off product. I'm telling you guys, this is like my holy grail. I really like it. I'm happy I got a new drill. I would definitely update you guys on how this works, but this drill bit was $58.99 on Amazon, and it gives you a $3 coupon off at the moment. If it doesn't do it for you when you go to look at this drill, I apologize, but I received $3 off because I caught it. But anywho, yes, that is the review on this drill. Now I'm going to get some nice slow-mo scenes for the intro. Thank you guys for watching this live time video. I just dropped my brush. Thank you, Makartt, for sending me a expired 10% off my purchase. I'm sad because I do enjoy your products. There's actually some jelly colors I would like to buy. But anywho, yes. What does that R and S mean? That doesn't matter. Bye, you guys. Nail tech check.